Hi guys, today we're going to make paper chains. Take a long strip of paper and glue the end. Then fold it and make a circle like this. Then take another paper and put it through and glue the end. And make a chain. Here you go. Take another long paper and fold it like an accordion. So like this, fold it up. Now draw a picture of a person. Here's the head, the arms, and the feet. Make sure the arms touch the edges of the paper and the feet touch the edges of the paper. We are going to make a chain. Cut around the picture. Cut around the person. Be careful. Don't cut the hands or the feet. How many people? Oh, open it up. 1, 2, 3, 4 people. It's a paper chain. Have fun.